So today we had quite a few PS5s come in for an HDMI port repair. So I thought I'd record one, but I actually recorded all of them. And I also fixed a Xbox Series X as well. So right now we are mixing unleaded solder with the solder that's on the board. And this will bring down the melting point of the solder. Now I'm going to prepare the new HDMI port, put some solder on there. And I did notice that this pad right here slightly moved out of place. But in all honesty, we do not even need it. It is a ground pad, so even if it was not there, it would still function as normal. So now I will heat up the board from the bottom, and I will be using the drop method for this repair. And once the solder liquefies, we will drop the port in place. So it does take a bit of skill. You do have to align it properly, and you cannot continuously apply heat or you will damage the port from the inside. There is a plastic housing inside of the metal casing, and if you apply too much heat, you will melt the port. We go the extra mile and we will add additional solder to each of those pins. So what I've noticed is that these ports, they go bad not because of physical damage, but because these pins in the back of the port, they get pushed too far or they rip off the pad itself. Hope you guys are enjoying the show. It is pretty calming and satisfying for me. I don't know about you guys. But we will top off the legs with some extra solder. So since we already pre-applied solder, we really do not need to touch these up, but we are pretty thorough when it comes to our repairs. And we like to make sure those legs are not going anywhere. And that's a job. Clean, super clean. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, share with your friends. If you need a repair, give us a call at 845-857-5760.